Yo, what's up everybody? It's Name, back with a brand new video. This one is all about leveling up your tech game, specifically in the world of AI. Google is giving everyone a chance to dive in and learn about AI for free. We're talking about a series of courses that take you from the basics to advanced concepts. We'll break down what each course covers, what you can expect to learn, and whether it's worth your time. So, if you're ready to unlock some serious AI knowledge and skills, stick around, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Google's free AI education. First up, we're starting with the Introduction to Generative AI course. Generative AI is all about teaching machines to create. We're talking about generating realistic images, videos, music, and creative content. This course breaks down the core concepts of generative AI and its real-world applications. You'll explore examples of generative AI in action, like in Google products. It's designed for everyone, even if you don't have a technical background. Plus, upon completing the course, you'll earn a Google badge to showcase your newfound knowledge. Next up, we're diving into the world of large language models. If you've ever interacted with a chatbot or used a translation service, you've experienced LLMs. This course explores how LLMs are trained on massive datasets to understand and generate human-like text. You'll learn about different architectures like transformers and the capabilities and limitations of LLMs. Completing this course earns you a shiny Google badge to add to your collection. Now, it's crucial to address the ethical side of AI. The Introduction to Responsible AI course emphasizes developing and deploying AI systems that benefit everyone. It covers principles like fairness, accountability, transparency, and privacy. You'll learn about potential biases in AI systems and how to mitigate them. This course is about ensuring we build the future with AI responsibly and ethically. Let's get into how businesses can use AI to innovate and improve operations. This course dives into how Google Cloud's AI and machine learning services solve real-world business problems. You'll learn about different AI solutions for various industries like healthcare, finance, and retail. The course provides hands-on experience with Google Cloud's AI platform. Whether you're a business leader or a developer, this course equips you with the knowledge to leverage AI for business success. Now let's talk about getting hands-on with AI development. Introduction to Vertex. AI Studio introduces you to Google Cloud's unified platform for AI. You'll learn how to use Vertex AI Studio for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. The course walks you through the process using Vertex AI Studio's intuitive interface. You'll get practical experience with AI development, experimenting with different models and datasets. Now let's get creative with AI. The Introduction to Image Generation course dives into using AI to create images. You'll explore diffusion models, a powerful type of generative model revolutionizing image generation. The course explains how diffusion models work and their applications. This course is perfect for anyone interested in the creative potential of AI. To unlock the full potential of AI, you need to master prompt design. This course focuses on prompt engineering, key to getting the most out of large language models. You'll learn how to craft effective prompts and avoid common pitfalls. Experiment with prompt design in Vertex AI to see how different prompts influence AI model outputs. Finally, we circle back to responsible AI with Responsible AI Applying AI Principles with Google Cloud. This course shows you how to put ethical considerations into practice when building AI systems on Google Cloud. You'll learn about tools and techniques for building fair, unbiased, and transparent AI systems. It's the essential guide to operationalizing responsible AI practices within your organization. So there you have it, Google's lineup of free AI courses for 2024. These courses offer a fantastic opportunity to level up your skills, learn from the best, and earn valuable Google badges. Don't forget to check out the links to all the courses in the description below. Hit that like button. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tech content, and let me know in the comments which course you're most excited to dive into.